Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can disable Android TV notifications. So to disable the Android TV notifications, you can simply go to the settings on the top right corner. From here on, you can go to the apps. So in the apps, you can go to that specific app which is showing you the notifications. So for example, if Google Play Store is showing you notifications, you can go to Google Play Store and you can scroll down. And here are the notifications. You can turn the notifications off. So you can follow the same method for each and every app that is showing you the notifications, and you can turn off that particular app notification from here on. So this is how you can turn off notifications. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.